wondered why tablets are the most common form of medication? The answer lies in their convenience, precise dosage control, and superior stability compared to liquid and injectable forms. The formulation of tablets is a meticulous process. At the heart of it is the drug, which is combined with a variety of substances known as excipients. These include diluents such as microcrystalline cellulose and lactose, binders like PVP, lubricants such as magnesium stearate and talc, buffers, stabilizers, disintegrants like MCC and alginates, colorants including titanium dioxide and riboflavin, and flavors and sweeteners like sucrose, mannitol, and dextrose. Now, onto the manufacturing process. There are three primary methods: wet granulation, dry granulation, and direct compression. The wet granulation method is widely used and involves several steps. First, ingredients are weighed and blended. Then a wet granulation is prepared, which is screened into pellets or granules. After drying, the granules undergo a dry screening before lubricants are added and blended. Finally, the mixture is compressed into tablets. Next, we have the dry granulation method. This is used when wet granulation isn't possible and doesn't involve any solvents. In this process, a powdered mixture is compacted into large masses, which are then crushed and sized into granules. The steps are similar to wet granulation, starting with weighing and blending ingredients, followed by slug formation through compression, crushing of the slug, screening into granules, mixing of lubricants, and finally, compressing into tablets. The third method, direct compression, is used for chemical substances that come in granular form and have good adhesive properties. These can be compressed directly into tablets without needing to form granules like aspirin. In a nutshell, the manufacturing process of tablets involves careful formulation, precise blending of ingredients, and a methodical granulation and compression process. Whether through wet granulation, dry granulation, or direct compression, this process ensures that each tablet contains an accurate dose of medication, providing a safe and convenient way for patients to take their medicines.